What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best Wi-Fi extenders in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. If you want to save money and at the same time afford a decent quality Wi-Fi extender, we have specially selected the TP-Link AC750 RE220 for you as the best budget Wi-Fi extender that can be found in the market in 2021. This fella boasts a 2-band speed of up to 750 megabytes per second, along with compact dimensions and design for the wall mount feature, providing easy installation and very flexible portability. Furthermore, the Ethernet port allows the expander to function as an access point. All you need to do is place the RE220 between the wireless router and the Wi-Fi device, expanding the Wi-Fi coverage while removing the unwanted dead zones. As noted, the dual-band Wi-Fi goes up to 750 megabytes per second in addition to extending over 3,000 square feet. This makes the device ideal for online gaming, watching HD videos, and more. The AC wireless technology included with the RE220 creates stronger and faster Wi-Fi connections in any part of your home. The dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz signals provide Wi-Fi connections for up to 32 computers, allowing you to enjoy a stable, crash-free experience on all your devices. Additionally, high-speed mode uses a dedicated Wi-Fi band as the backbone of the connection and another dedicated Wi-Fi band as an access point, maximizing bandwidth on the extended Wi-Fi. The TP-Link AC750 Budget Wi-Fi Range Extender RE220 features an operating temperature between 32 and 104 degrees Fahrenheit and comes in the size of 4.33 by 2.59 by 2.2 inches. The weight is 3.2 ounces. It should be pointed out that the coverage of the wireless network, as well as the speed of transmission, will depend on many factors, including network conditions, traffic density, local interference, physical objects, construction materials, and much more. But for the listed price, we are more than impressed. If you want to avoid the tricky setups that do nothing but waste your time, we say check out the TP-Link AC1750 Wi-Fi Range Extender RE450, the best easy setup Wi-Fi extender that you can find in the market in 2021. Ideal for the less tech-savvy individuals, this fella only takes a few moments to set up and does the job just fine. This is a device that will expand signals in both frequency bands so that it enables a faster flow of data, even in previously inaccessible places. So the RE450 is a device that uses the 802.11 AC protocol. 3 antennas are in charge of transmitting data in both frequency bands, one of which is pulled out from the back in a slide manner, while the 2 sides are simply upright. These 3 physical antennas hide 2 antennas for each frequency band. RE450 is capable of transmitting data at speeds up to 400 megabit per second in the frequency range of 2.4 GHz, and for 5 GHz up to 1300 megabit per second. The space between the antennas is secured for the WPS function with an LED ring around it. Depending on the state of the device and factors such as the signal strength, the LED ring will glow in different colors. Furthermore, below the WPS button are 3 LEDs to indicate the activity of the device in both frequency bands. The device features small openings scattered on the sides and back and will therefore not have problems with ventilation. On the left is a Gigabyte port, a handy option for remote computers that don't have a wireless adapter. On the right are the reset pinhole, the button that turns the LED on the expander on and off, and the power button. As for the design, we can say that TP-Link did a good job. The choice of colors is elegant, with the gray case positioned between 2 white lids. The front side is made of glossy plastic, which gives it a premium look. After successful configuration, the device can be placed in the desired location, with the LED ring around the WPS button glowing red if you place the expander out of range of the router. We are thoroughly impressed by how easy it is to set this fella up. It's as if though the manufacturer has made each step of the way as simple as possible. Good stuff. If you're simply looking for the best performance, we said check out the Netgear Nighthawk EX7700 Mesh Range Extender. This is a device designed to improve wireless coverage at home in areas up to 2,300 square feet and speeds up to 2,200 megabytes per second. Specifically, the EX7700 offers 3 Wi-Fi channels, two in the 5 GHz band with 866 megabytes per second each, and the other at 2.4 GHz with 400 megabytes per second, with an additional 866 megabytes per second channel also at 5 GHz, but dedicated to communication with the main home router. You will also get the ability to establish a connection using one of 2 onboard Gigabit Ethernet ports, avoiding the congestion of wireless bands if needed. The device utilizes several technologies that allow you to have a unique network identifier, such as smart roaming, to automatically switch from the network to one of the best coverage. Also, each node has 4 internal antennas and is compatible with MU-MIMO and Smart Connect, providing channel status analysis at all times. Furthermore, the EKS7700 functions as a 3-band extension, giving you the option to dedicate one of the antennas only to managing network tasks. The size is quite compact, measuring 7.59 by 4.45 by 1.61 inches, which is likely no more intrusive than any other router you've ever owned. With a weight of 18 ounces, the Netgear Nighthawk X6 EX7700 is as easy to run as any other router. On the backside, along the base, we find a VPS button, 2 Ethernet ports, an on-off button, a reset button, and a power port. What really increases the network performance is the integrated quad-core processor. The Netgear Nighthawk X6 EX7700 is clearly made to handle even the 4K gaming environments without lag. Whether you use 4K content or not, it is made with a state-of-the-art design that is ready to answer all the problems related to internet bandwidth. If you want premium quality, this is it. Up next, meet the TP-Link RE650 AC2600 Wi-Fi range extender, the best option for most folks looking for a decent Wi-Fi range extender. This fellow will grant you speeds of up to 800 megabytes per second in the 2.4 GHz band and 1733 megabytes per second if you use the 5 GHz band. You will no longer have to worry about network coverage problems at home because this fella takes everything in the 330-foot radius and takes the signal to the next level, granting you more than enough coverage. The RE650 has a 3-pole plug on the back that goes directly into an AC outlet, has a standard size, and offers everything a good Wi-Fi range extender should. You'll get your signal strengthened. The device is easy to set up, fairly durable, and fairly priced. The 4 LEDs serve as indicator lights for power, as well as for connecting to the 2.4 and 5 GHz networks of the main router. At the top, the LED circular light glows red when the device is too far from the router and blue when it is at its optimum. The RE650 extender uses TP-Link's intelligent processing mechanism to select the most efficient route to transfer data from the router to the extender and to the end user. It moves data to 4 lanes and can theoretically deliver 1,733 megabytes per second over its 5 GHz and 800 megabytes per second over a 2.4 GHz channel to estimate the AC2600 bandwidth. On the inside is an 880 MHz dual-core processor that controls extender operation and simplifies data delivery. TP-Link gives you the option of using a VPS or browser-based procedure to connect to the main router and to the TP-Link Tether app, available for iOS and Android. Allows you to monitor the operation of the extender from your phone or tablet. There's a good chance that this fella is exactly what you need. And finally, combining a premium performance, high durability, good design, and top value for money, here comes the Netgear Nighthawk X4 AC2200 Wi-Fi range extender EX7300, the best overall Wi-Fi extender available on the market in 2021. Netgear Nighthawk X4 AC2200 is a top-level device. The main feature of this Wi-Fi extender is that it is a real simultaneous dual-band device, capable of connecting to a router in the 2.4 GHz band and the 5 GHz band to later repeat the signal in the same band. The Nighthawk X4 also includes fastlane technology that allows you to connect to the router's 2.4 GHz band and repeat the signal in the 5 GHz band, or to connect to the 5 GHz band on the router and repeat on the 2.4 GHz. As for the speed, in the 2.4 GHz band, we can achieve speeds of up to 450 megabytes per second, thanks to its 3 internal antennas in the 3T3R MIMO configuration. In terms of 5 GHz bandwidth, we can achieve speeds of up to 1,733 megabytes per second, thanks to Wi-Fi AC technology and its 4 internal antennas in the MIMO 4T4R configuration. Netgear EX7300 Nighthawk X4 is one of the few Wi-Fi extenders that includes MU-MIMO technology. It will allow us to optimize the wireless network and achieve high speed when connecting several devices at the same time. The device also has the beamforming plus technology that will allow us to focus wireless signals to Wi-Fi clients. This equipment also has a VPS button for easy and fast connection to the Wi-Fi network, which will also be used to synchronize extenders with the main router, as well as wireless clients with their team. Although this product is specially designed to be used as a Wi-Fi extender, it has an onboard button that will allow us to use it as a Wi-Fi access point. This way, if we connect the router and Netgear EX7300 Nighthawk X4 via cable, we can generate 2 new high-speed Wi-Fi networks. Another very important specification of this Netgear EX7300 Premium Wi-Fi extender is that it has a gigabit Ethernet port for LAN. Thanks to this port, we can connect to any type of smart TV, IPTV decoder, computer, or console via cable, all at the maximum wireless speed. Another interesting feature of this extender is that it's capable with any wireless router. It does not have to be from Netgear, which is important to emphasize because, for example, you can easily repeat the signal from the router of your operator. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.